Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you guys had a really good Christmas and holiday break going on. It's your boy Farhan, and this is the second installment of the new chapter of my life. Living in New York City, just moving in. I'm 2 weeks in. I got my apartment set up for the most part, and I'll be showing you guys a little tour of basically what I'm working with right now. So, unfortunately, this is the one bad thing about this apartment. It is a 5-story walk up. I'm on the 5th floor. So you guys already know I'm gonna be skipping leg day at the gym because I'm already getting a leg workout every time I go up and down those stairs. As soon as you walk in, you're right in the living room, and you guys are probably wondering, why is there a giant pile of hay on my right? That is a good question. The first night I was here, I saw people were throwing away barrels of hay. I think the right property, the right unit is barrels, right? Anyway, so I took one, I brought it back to my apartment, and I'm like, yeah, I might as well keep it. Also, as soon as you walk in, I got the coat hanger on the right. It's middle of December right now. I'm like, people are going to be getting cold out. They're going to be walking in with coats. I want to make it very convenient for the guests. I want to make it very convenient for myself. The living room is completely walled in by another building, so I'm not getting a lot of natural light. But it's all good. I get the natural light from my room. That's where I spend most of my mornings with work and everything. You guys will see that in a bit. Overall, this is the living room. The couch, yes, I need a bigger couch. I'm going to be getting that this week. Hope you guys like the decorations. Hope you guys like the TV mount. I hope you guys like the lights. These lights I got from Amazon for like 25 bucks. By the way, I'm going to be posting all of the links of everything, all the decorations that I have in this apartment if you guys are interested in buying it. These shelves have been very clutch and they hold a lot of weight. I have a few of these around the apartment. As you can see right here, this one shelf is holding my boxing stuff, my gloves, and my mask. My apartment also has like these little edges by the window where it could be good seating. Now here, right next to the living room, as you guys can see, we got the kitchen. The kitchen, it is kind of small, it is kind of tight. This is New York City. You're not going to get like a 5-star kitchen, Gordon Ramsay type style with an island and everything. You're going to get something that you can barely walk in. And yes, I am meal prepping while shooting this, so if the food over here looks good, I could send over the recipe, attach it in the description. On the left, we got the hallway, as you guys can see, got the vines from my previous room. I'm thinking like on the right wall, I might have a mirror, might add some more decoration, but pretty decent hallway, a lot of space, a lot of space to walk around the apartment, which is, something you don't see all the time in New York City. Then you got the bathroom over here. One thing I do like about the bathroom is the white marble tiles. It gives like the bathroom a nice look. It looks more modern. Typical bathroom. Other than that, got the sink, got the toilet, obviously, like I think every bathroom in the world does. Next up, last but not least, we got the bedroom. Unfortunately, there's no magic going on over here. But, decent bedroom, high ceilings. This is where, like I said before, where like, the actual natural light comes in. I am facing east, I believe, so I'm facing towards like Long Island and the Atlantic Ocean. Definitely still need to add more decorations, add more lights. I'm thinking maybe like put up more flags. Got the workstation right here where I'm currently editing this video. Here again, the shelf making another appearance. They're like all over the apartment. Like I said, these windows, they have like a little like indentation where you actually just put my stuff. The closet, this is actually the only closet in the apartment. It is decent. I threw all my clothes in there, threw all like the BS in there. I think that's all I need, honestly. That and like the kitchen storage you guys saw earlier, that's like what my storage is that I'm working with. So yeah, pretty decent closet, it has a lot of space. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the apartment. Again, first installment, I only moved in 2 weeks ago. Not everything is set up. I wanted to show you guys, phase 1. Once I do get more furniture in, once I do get more decorations in, I'm going to make a more complete and thorough video of the finalized apartment. I really appreciate you guys' feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos coming up in the future.